Inhale, hold, exhale. Second one is Hastottasana. Lift your hands up, open your hands, bend. Next one is Padastasana. Open your hands and slowly bring those beside of your foot. Next one is Ashwa Sancharanasana. Take your left leg back, lift up your head. Next one is Padastasana. Take your two legs back. Next one is Sashangasana. Bring your knee to the ground. Next one is Bhujangasana. Stretch your hands and legs. Lift up your head. Next one is Parvatasana. Lift up your waist. Next one is Ashwasanchalanasana. Bring your left leg bent. Lift up your head. Next one is Padastasana. And again Hastottasana. And come to Prarthana Mudra.